Hello and welcome back to Talking Shop, a series where we talk about the latest news and updates on e-commerce and retail.
Today we'll be talking about how non-essential businesses have reopened, how Google Ads are rolling out auto-applied recommendations, TikTok is becoming the place to be for small businesses, and Google Search Console adds a new page experience report.
Non-essential retail businesses reopened their doors once again on the 12th of April. Research has shown that footfall across high streets, retail parks and shopping centres was up 330% from April 11th to the 17th versus the same week last year. The East Midlands, South East and South West of England saw the greatest increase in footfall. So this is really good news for brick and mortar businesses, with lots of people excited to get back to shopping in stores. Obviously we've seen a massive increase in footfall and a lot of spending going on in physical shops.
Yeah, and with this it's kind of like obviously decreased the amount that people have been shopping online, but that's expected now that they've got that kind of like normality back where they can actually go out to the shops. So yeah,
I just do wonder whether this will sort of be a sustained level of footfall for brick and mortar shops going forward, or whether it'll drop off a little bit as people have become a bit more used to shopping online. So we'll just have to wait and see, won't we?
Yeah, definitely. Well, I think the novelty will eventually wear off and people will just go back to kind of like shopping more online, so we'll see another increase in that. So Google have announced earlier this month that they are rolling out their auto-applied Google Ads recommendations. Now this is an opt-in feature and you can choose from over 17 recommendations to apply automatically within the Google Ads setting. Now Google said this can improve your account performance and save time, but this may not always be the case.
So I think while we can see why Google want to help make your job a bit easier when it comes to optimizing their ads, it might not always be the best way to improve your performance.
Yeah, so obviously this has actually been out since 2019, so they've been testing this kind of like auto recommendations for a while, and although this might be a new and improved kind of like version and they've updated their algorithms, it's always best to actually seek advice. So if you do need to speak to a Google expert, I've left a link down in the description. You can speak to our Google specialist here.
TikTok, the social media platform, now has 698 million users and is becoming the go-to place for small businesses to promote their products. Small businesses are flocking to the social media app as some business owners have gone viral and seen a large increase in orders overnight as a result of using the platform. The hashtag Small Business Check currently has 8.5 billion views and counting. TikTok has become a powerful tool to increase reach and engagement for small businesses with a great return on investment.
So since March 2020, TikTok has attracted small business owners as a way to reach larger audiences. Now this is because of the great discoverability, and people don't actually have to be following you to be able to consume your content.
Yeah, so I've seen a lot of content from small businesses where they're not actually directly promoting their products and shoving them in your face, but they're doing sort of like behind the scenes and how it's made type content that puts a bit of personality and puts a face to their brand essentially, and helps sort of like engage with people and connect with them a lot better.
Yeah, and if you've tried TikTok, let us know. And if you are on TikTok, definitely drop us a follow at ecom_UK. Google Search Console is adding a page experience report and filters for their search performance report. Now this report combines the core Web Vitals report with other metrics that are part of the page experience update. However, Google have now postponed the rollout of the page experience update to give site owners more tools to improve their pages for the update. Now the ranking change will be affected as it was meant to be rolled out in May, but will now be gradually rolling out around mid-June and will be fully rolled out by the end of August this year. Google said this delay is to help you continue to make refinements to your website with page experience in mind.
So for businesses who have yet to optimize their page experience, you now have a bit more time.
Yeah, and it's kind of like a shame that it has been delayed, as it's especially good for Google's kind of core vitals update that we actually spoke about in a previous episode. Now this is because the page experience report is going to show you metrics such as mobile friendliness and first input delay, so essentially how fast your pages load, as well as many more metrics. So this is kind of good in a way. It's going to give you more time to prepare, But yeah, still a shame that it is delayed. And that's it for this episode's news. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe for more e-commerce news, and we'll see you next time.